2 and a small bed on the right side of the room. On the table, a telephone is kept as a curtain on the stage is rolled up. Gerard is found standing by the table making a phone call. He is one of the medium height and is wearing spectacles and are in the shape of horns. He is wearing a long suit and a great coat. His voice indicates that he is well educated and well mannered person. He was talking on phone. He says that the person should call him up directly. He adds that he would reach in 10 minutes. Then he goes to the divan and start packing the stuff in the traveling bag. While he is busy in packing, another man who is similar to the Gerard enters the room silently from the right side. He has a gun in one hand and he is dressed in a bright colored dress and overcoat and a soft hat. He bumps into the table and Gerard turns around the sound. The intruder says that he is glad to find and Gerard happy to see him. He adds that he won't remain happy when he comes to know of his intention. The intruder asks Gerard to raise his hands. The intruder says that he is trying to be composed and is short of words and complete the sentence. He is not able to complete his sentence because of the short of words. Gerard adds that he wants to say that he is trying to be calm and that is not to show any anxiety or the enthusiasm. The intruder thanks Gerard for completing the sentence and says that soon he will stop acting smart. He adds he will torture him and make him crawl. The intruder commands Gerard to sit on the chair and sits on the divan. And he sits on the divan. He wants to talk about the two of them. So Gerard says that finally he has a person who is concerned about him and want to know about his past. So he adds that he would tell about his life. How as a child he was stolen by a group of the nomads and why at the age of 32 years when he living all alone at this small cottage in Essex. By saying this, he developed an air of suspense around him. When he start talking with the intruder and want to share about his personal life. Intruder was not interested in the Gerard's word. He wanted answer to his set of questions and did not want to hear to what the Gerard had say. He asked if the Gerard lived there alone. Gerard says that the way in which the intruder spoke made him feel that he was telling him that he lived alone rather than ask him if he did live alone. He added that the intruder's voice was not familiar to imply that he wanted to know about him. And the intruders were kept on repeating his question and asked him to answer. The intruder warned Gerard that if he did not want any harm, then he should obey his orders. Gerard spoke intelligently and replied that his good sense reflected in his ability to avoid pain than the mere desire to avoid it. He asked the intruder about his opinion and addressed him Mr. to indicate that he wanted to know his name. कुछ इस अंदाज में उससे बात करी मिस्टर कह के कि वो उसका नाम जैसे जानना चाहता है. The intruder replied that he need not to know his name and on the other hand asked Gerard his Christian name. That is, the name was given when he was baptized in the church. So Gerard replied that his Christian name was the Vincent Charles. Now what is the next question of the intruder? That if the Gerard had a car. So he replied negatively as the Gerards don't have any car. The intruder said the Gerard was lying. He said that he was not foolish. He was smarter than him and knew that he had a car. Gerard asked the intruder if he was really an American or was an copying American accent. The intruder got angry and said that his gun was not a toy and he could harm Gerard and still would get a reply to his question. Gerard showed that he got scared and said that he would be happy to help the intruder. He accepted that he had a car and said that it wasn't in the garage. Then the intruder asked whether the place was frequented by many people. Gerard replied that he rarely had any visitors. He added that very few people underwent the trouble of visiting him other than a baker, greengrocer, milkman. No one else bothered to visit him. Who is saying this? The Gerard to the intruders. The intruder said that he had to come to know that the Gerard did not meet the tradespeople. Gerard commented that the intruder had gone through a lot of trouble to gain the information about him. He added that as the intruder knew a lot about him, he should disclose some details about himself too. He added that the intruder had been reserved and had not talked much about himself. It was a conversation which was going on between the intruder and Gerard, as the intruder came with a gun with his hand in his hand, but still he was not scared of him. That's it for now. Now I'll continue my explanation in my next video.